Brancic, studying aviation maintenance at BCIT. I knew I was interested in doing stuff with my hands. I liked working on vehicles, but they didn't seem as interesting. Aviation just seemed that much more interesting and something I'd enjoy. People are retiring, older people are retiring, baby boomers are retiring. So it's perfect for us because as we get out, the jobs will be opening up for us. I like to work on something bigger, something a bit more, even like military sized. But if I work on those, I work on those wherever it takes me.